In this guide, we will be discussing how to set a repeat top row in Excel when doing Office reports and other submission. This will ensure that visibility of important information can be visible across all pages, and will eliminate the need to manually copying and pasting that will save you time and effort. So let's begin. As you can see, the first page has the header only. To set the repeat top row or repeat header so that the defined header will be visible to the succeeding page, go to the Page Layout tab. Click the Print Titles. On the rows to repeat at left, select the desired row to repeat. Now, let's do the preview to check if the defined rows did repeat. And yes, it is. Thanks for watching.